Hello friends, my name is Rahul Singh and again you are with me in 10th class. In 10th class of Catia, we learn about the pocket command as we have learned already this one in last class, pad command. Okay, so in this class we will learn about the second pocket command. See, pocket command is basically it is removing the material from any part. Okay, you can say if you're making any circle, then it will make hole. Okay, it will if you will make any square or rectangle, then it will remove the material in the shape of rectangle or square. Okay, so that we will learn in this. So this already shape is there. Okay, this already I have taken. Just okay, so last command we have seen this, we have extruded, so this material has been added, but in this class we will see that how we can remove the material from anything. Okay, so for removing the material we have to make any sketch which kind of which kind of material you will remove from this part. Okay, now like the same thing we have added in the last class, but same thing I will remove in this class. Okay, but on this plane. So we have selected one plane, then sketch, because we have to sketch the circle wherever we want. This is the solid frame. From here one option is there, we'll change to wireframe. Okay, actually this is side view. Okay, so you have to assume from where you are looking. So we will make circle here. Okay, we have to get out from this. See, now we can change from wireframe to solid frame. See this. Now this circle we have to like this circle we have to remove the material. We have selected this circle, then extrude command. So same thing like in pad command what we have seen, in pocket command also this same dialog will be open. Okay, in this same dimension 80 mm, reverse side that is different, that I'll tell you. Thickness, mirror, reverse will be there. Okay, so if I will select like 180 mm, see, so if you see my mouse is having some problem. Okay, so if you see this material has been cut from here. Okay, see, from here you can see. Okay, so when we again click this, see, in this condition this has been cut up to 180 mm. Okay, but it is not required actually. So this dimension command we can change up to next, up to last, up to plane, and up to surface. Like if I want to up to next, then it will see, up to next means from here to here it will cut automatically. Okay, see, from here to here, because this plane is next, so from here to here automatically will come. Then again again we will select. If you want up to last, see this one, it will cut up to last because in this direction. Okay, if you select any plane, so now we have select suppose this plane. Okay, so it will cut in this direction. See, from here to here. Okay, see, from here to here, this has been already cut. Okay, if you select any surface, this is the surface, then up to the surface it will cut. Surface it will not cut, but up to the surface it will cut. See, okay, this is thick. If you select thick, then it will, like pad command, it will create a inside wall. Okay, so it will thickness will be more. Okay, and if you select reverse direction, first, okay, okay, because this is surface, so first we have to give dimension, then reverse direction. Mirror extend means double side, this side also, this side also, and this side also. Okay, so see, here also it has been cut. See this. Okay, so it has cut this side also, this side also, both side. And in this one thing is pending, reverse side. Okay, reverse side means one new sketch I will make for this, for better understand this area. So here now we have to out from this. Okay, so now if I want this body replacing this material, okay, only then I want pocket command. Okay, and okay in same direction, not reverse direction. Okay, this is, we have not selected reverse side, now we are selecting normal type. Okay, see, so this body become without this material. Okay, but if you see the reverse side, then what will happen? Reverse means this material will be there only, this total material will be gone. See this. We can go undo. Okay, So this is how we are making the part with the pocket command, and how we are making the holes and removing the material like square, rectangle, circular shape, whatever shape we can remove from the base material. Okay, or we can in the reverse direction also, we can do in the reverse direction also, that also. So friends, thank you very much, and I hope you have learned the pocket command, how we are making the holes and all the shapes, and how we are removing the material. Okay, in next class we'll start other topic of this sketch features. Please subscribe the channel and please press the bell icon to keep updated with my next videos. Okay, thank you.